Most creators upload videos without checking their subtitles, and that can be a big mistake. Accurate subtitles make your videos easier to understand and more accessible. In this video, I will show you how to review and publish YouTube automatic subtitles using YouTube Studio. Accurate subtitles makes your video easier to understand and more accessible. In this video, I'll show you how to review and publish YouTube automatic subtitles using YouTube Studio in desktop mode. YouTube can automatically generate subtitles for many videos after processing the audio before publishing them. It's a good idea to review the text and timing to make sure everything is accurate. Since this option is not available in the YouTube, so first open Chrome and go to YouTube Studio. Yet click the language section and choose your video language. For example, select English United States, then click Save. Now return to the subtitle page. If automatic subtitles are available, you will see English automatic. Click Edit beside the subtitles. Review the generated text and correct any word if needed. Next, click Edit Timings to adjust the subtitles timings if it does not match the spoken audio. Once everything looks correct, click Publish. That's it. Your subtitles are now available for viewers. Subtitles make your videos easier to understand, especially for viewers watching without sound or for people who prefer reading along. They also improve accessibility for viewers with hearing difficulties and help you correct any mistake in YouTube automatically generated captions. Take a few minutes to review your subtitles can create a better viewing experience for your audience. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.